These are the elevators at Building 24 at Canal Place in downtown Akron, Ohio. Guessing these were originally old Otis, but they're modernized by Schindler with SurvivorPlus at some point. I'm probably like EPCO though. Squeaky doors. Lantern on the outside does not work. Basement. And it's two splits on the inside. The doors do not seem kind of crooked. Arrow does not work. I think these are Miconic TX. I think these are too old to be 6400. The model. Up to 5. Interior up. I thought the door upper is original or something. So it's like the number one thing you replaced during a mod. The signboard in the back was rattling. The elevators do not seem to be well maintained. Back down to 1. There you go. It's a basic cab. Back at 1. I will be looking at that map because I do not know my way around this place. They're close and that's going to be it.